Welcome back to another vlog. Actually, today I just got up. My package came in, and I actually got the B&M short shifter. So let's take a look. So here's the short shifter. Actually, looks really nice. Everything's in there. I went ahead and jacked up the car so I could get to it under the bolt. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this unpackaged. Okay, so it is right here. And this bolt is a 12mm socket. So just get to here. I'm not gonna record me doing this because this is a tight spot. So I got the bolt off right here. This is where and there's the linkage right here. So I'm trying to get this whole boot off or move it over. Next thing you want to do is just start taking all this off, which well, let me get this off first. Get that off. Set it right under the seat. And I'm not gonna worry about disconnecting all this. So here's your boot, and there's 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me get those screws right off. Alright, and these are 10s up here. So all these bolts have already been removed. I'm not going to take this whole center console out. What I'm going to do is just try to get it right out and unpry that right here and another one right here, and then pop it right out. Pry those off, and thought set that right there. And all you have is this right here. So you want to take this, just dust the boot. And it's going to be the same for here. Take this one off, and this one right over here. Also, as you can tell, the threads came from where? This one came from the actual little gauge thing. So yeah, there it is. The OEM factory. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. It's time to put in the new one. So this is the factory one, and this is the aftermarket one. So we're going to go ahead and take this right out and put it right in. So here's everything, and the new one right here. And it's the little seal on the top part right here. Put that right in. You want to make sure this part right here is This part right here is facing towards your passenger side. Goes right back in there like so. So it already comes with a small package right here. So yeah. Okay, so this thing is back down here. All I gotta do is reconnect that. I can't record and try to do this at the same time, but I sure will show you right after. Okay, so I got the bolt back on and I got the screw back on. Well, okay, so I got the screw back on and I went ahead and tightened it. Not too tight, but I did go ahead and put the boot back on, as you see right up here. You want to make sure the boot is right and snug up on this. This is a little circle up there. You want to make sure it fits all the way around before getting up and tracking the car down. And before doing anything else, you want to make sure it's proper, working. It's stiff, so we'll make sure it goes in all gears. Push first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. And now you want to go ahead and tighten all these down. And I believe these are like alley wrenches. So let me go grab one. Okay. So then you want to put everything back in reverse. So all of them's intact. Put this back in. Get my knob, put it back in here. really short. Alright, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button. Thumbs up. Everybody, thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. And subscribe to the channel. And make sure you turn on your notifications. Alright guys, until next time.